Welcome to another video, the same every time, IGCSE Maths, GCSE Maths, looking at the kind of questions that apart from the numbers are the same every time. Learn how to do them. Get yourself into the marks, get yourself into the grades. Simplifying expressions. Well, you might want to pause the video and have a go at this yourself and then have a look at my answer. But the first thing to do is to look at what we're actually given here. What letters are we given? We've got G, there's some G there, so we've got G, we've got H, there we are, and we don't have any numbers on their own here, so we've got G and H in our letters, so our final answer is going to look like something G, something H. Let's have a look at the G. We usually do these things in alphabetical order. So our first G letter is 6G. Remember, that's a positive 6G. That tells us where to start on the number line. So I'm starting at positive 6 on the number line. Look at the next G. That has negative 4. So negative 4G, that tells us what to do next. So I'm starting at positive 6 on my number line, then I'm taking away a 4. Where does that take me? Takes me to 2. So that gives me 2 times G. Of course, that's a positive 2, but here in my final answer, since it's the first term I'm writing down, I don't really need to write the positive sign. Looking at the H's, first of all, I've got negative 5H. That tells me where to start on my number line, starting at negative 5. Then I've got plus 2H. So negative 5 on my number line, then I add a 2. Negative 5 plus 2 is actually going to be negative 3. So negative 3H, that's it, that's the end of the question. I'll take my 2 marks for that one. So 2G minus 3H. As I said in the previous video, don't be tempted to try to put these together into one term. The G and the H are separate things. Has to be 2G minus 3H. As I said in the last video, some IGCSE, GCSE papers have a non-calculator paper. So this could be easily a non-calculator question. However, if you do have your calculator with you and you're able to use it on that paper, why not use it to check your answers if you're not so sure about moving up and down the number line? Negative 5 plus 2 will give you negative 3. 6 minus 4, of course, gives you 2. 2G minus 3H, our final answer, the same every time. If the video was useful to you, then please do press the like button. Please also press the subscribe because that's useful to us. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I will be back for the next one.